In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar to type in Launcher OS. Then download this free app from Launcher Studio developer. And when it's ready, open it. Then select Get Started, tap on I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then hit while using the app or only this time. Select Allow and close and add. Now you can hide this ad by tapping on the top right corner. Manage all of those options however you want to and hit Set as Default. Then apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. As you can see after that, my Apple layout was successfully applied. If you wish to switch between those layouts, you can always do that by going back to the same app, clicking Set as Default and tapping on Default Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!